Hello, my Aquarius. So let's see today what's the message for you. Here we go. Wow, whatever you've been wanting in your life, whatever you've been waiting for, dreaming for, asking God for your job, for your relationship, for something new project, whatever you want to do, everything is going to come in your favor today. So have a great day. Hello, my beautiful Libra. Let's see what's the message for you today. And you're being rewarded, you're being gifted, whatever you're doing because you're divinely guided. Whatever you want to do today, it is going to happen. So wish for something what you really want at the current situation. Have a great day. Hello, my beautiful Gemini. So today we'll see what is the message for you. Okay, you are being protected, you're being guided, and yes, you are being in your control. You're balancing each and every situation, whatever is coming through you. Very beautiful energy which you're having today. So, have a great day. Hello, my Pisces. Let's see what is the message for you for today. Okay, you're working very hard, there are many people around you, there is many things happening, but you are concentrating in your work, you're concentrating in the future, what you want to do and what you want to achieve. So you are going to be very busy today. Have a great day. Hello, my Cancers. Let's see what is message. Yes, you are going deep inside in you. You are seeking some kind of knowledge, some kind of an eye opener to you today. You are going to unwrap something new and wait for this new opportunity, something very new and interesting today. You're going to have a great knowledge. Okay? Have a great day. Hello, my Scorpio. Let's see what's the message for you for today. And yes, you are having a lot of sleepless nights. You are being very troubled. You have been thinking a lot for these past some days, and today also you'll be thinking a lot. But do understand, thinking doesn't lead you anywhere, right? Yes, you have to think a little bit. How can you get out of your situation? And then I'm sure you can make it through. You are powerful. Yeah, you can tackle any situation. That's what you are. Have a great day. Hello, my Leos. Let's see what's the message for you for today. And yes, you are in a complete abundance. You are so happy at this current situation. You are completely feeling that you have everything. You are being blessed with all the success which you are facing, and you're feeling it today. Today, you are just going to be very happy. Have a great day. Hello, my beautiful Aries. Let's see what's the message for you today. And today you are a little confused. What is going to come forth for you in future? You are being ready to tackle it. You are in your complete power, and whatever is coming to you, don't think that it's only negative. There is some positive things coming as well. So do not ever feel that you're going through only hard times. There are some good time in this hard times. Okay, have a great day. Hello, my Sagittarius. Let's see what's the message for you today. And here we go. You're tackling all the situation, whatever is coming forth for you, which is happening, and some kind of a little situation which you did not want it to happen. You're going to meet with a lot of people. They're going to tell their point of view to you, and you're going to tackle, you're going to understand why are they talking like that, or why are they behaving like that with you. Things are only happening to you because you are quite strong enough. You can tackle all the situation which is coming in today. Okay, have a great day. Hello, my Virgo. So let's see what's the message for you today. And here we go. Wow, you are completely in the abundance of wealth. Okay, you have everything what you need today, and that is going to make you feel happy, and you are going to be in your complete glory. Whether it's a girl or a boy, it doesn't matter, because your energy is just great for today, and you're going to be very, very blessed. Have a great day. Hello, my Capricorn. Let's see what's the message for you for today. And yes, you are kind of little worried. You are thinking a lot, you're carrying your own burdens, and you're walking forward. So today you're going to leave some things behind, and you're going to walk forward in your complete grace and power. Have a great day. Hello, my Taurus. Let's see what's the message for you for today. And yes, there is some kind of pain you're going through, you're just feeling everything is fallen apart, but do not worry, you are the strength, you are the power. And this falling apart doesn't mean that you have lost everything. You have gained yourself, okay? And you can make it all right. You have not lost anything in life. You're having a little tough time at this moment, but that tough time is going to make you strong. Have a great day.